What up, y'all? Y'all already know what it do, man. It's your boy, Metro, Metro Miguel. Hey, how y'all doing today, man? Happy New Year's, everybody. We officially made it to 2021. Yeah! We in it, y'all. So, it's the new year, right? 2021. Thank everybody for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for all the comments. I really appreciate you guys. Super excited to bring you the new LG GPad 5. You heard me right. The LG GPad 5 10.11. You heard me right, guys. This is our new LG GPad. This is a great device, guys. The LG GPad 5 10.1-inch full high definition screen, guys, opens the door to more with an expansive 10.1 full high definition display. You can work and play all day on the go. It has a sleek LG GPad design, offers a long-lasting performance in one portable package, y'all. This is it right here. This thing is huge, y'all, so I'm gonna open it up real quick. Open this boy up real quick right here. Check it out here, guys. Here we go. So some of the specs on it, as you guys can see here, the LG GPad 10.1 full high definition, 2.34 gigahertz quad core processor. Also has a fingerprint sensor. Yes, you heard me right. This tablet has a fingerprint sensor. We also have 8,200 milliamps per hour battery. Great battery on it. It does have Qualcomm Snapdragon as well, guys. So we're gonna pop that out right there. Boom, boom. We also have our user manual here. We have our wall adapter and our USB Type-C charging cable, guys. So here's the tablet. Let's open it up. Why not, right? Oh, let's open it up. So how was y'all New Year's, y'all? How was y'all New Year's? We in Vegas with it, enjoying ourselves, man. My New Year's was good, y'all. What is your New Year's resolution, right? Did you come up with some resolutions, some things you want to do different? Because 2020 was a very difficult year. We lost a lot of people, y'all. So 2021 is going to be an exciting year. It's going to be much better. And we starting off 2021 with the LG GPad, brought to you by Metro by T-Mobile. Yes, sir, it's going down. This video is brought to you by Unlimited Wireless. We are an authorized dealer partnered with Metro by T-Mobile. So we're just gonna get it started here. Check this out, guys. This thing is huge. 10.1 inches from top to bottom. On the rear here, we're going to have a rear-facing, a 8-megapixel rear-facing camera on the back. We're also going to have a 5-megapixel camera on the front. Let's see here. We have the volume up, volume down keys, and the power button here. Our USB Type-C port. We're also going to have our speakers here on the bottom as well, guys. This is really nice. I'm going to just get to the main screen here. It says just a second. So what I want to do, guys, is get into the main screen so you'll see what it looks like on everyday use. Once again, guys, leave your comments below. Let me know what you think about the LG GPad 5 10.1 full high definition screen. Now, the price. I know a lot of people are interested in how much is this beast, right? Because we got the deals and the thrills right now, y'all. We got the deals, okay? Now, the full retail price on this tablet is $299. But guess what? Guess what? Guess what? When you start a new line of service with us today, you guys are going to save $200 off of this tablet. You heard me right. You're going to save $200 on this. So guess what, y'all? This beautiful LG GPad 5 is only $99. Swing by your local Metro by T-Mobile today to come check it out. This tablet does just about everything, y'all. I mean, you can see, look at the colors on that. Y'all see the colors on that? This thing is beautiful. Just about anything you could imagine that you could do on a standard tablet, your YouTube, your videos, download your games. This is great for the holidays. This will be a great purchase for your kids when they're going to virtual school. So swing by today, your local Metro by T-Mobile. Full retail price, like I said, is $299, but you right here are gonna save $200 today. So you're only gonna pay $99 for the device, and it has unlimited data at only $15 a month. That's right, y'all. It's going down, man. Happy New Year's, everybody. Thank y'all for checking it out. Make sure you leave your comments below. This is the new LG GPad 5, and it's going down, y'all. Peace.